fam, it's your girl Ray, and we're back here with another YouTube video. So for today's video, we are going to be trying to make clear glue act like a white glue. Since I ran out of white glue, I'm just going to be taking my Colorations clear glue and basic slime making skills, put it into a bowl and have something to mix with on the side. Now add your ingredients. I'm going to be starting with some oil-free acne wash. Add a few pumps of that. Then I'm going to be using some lotion. And then putting in a bit of cornstarch just to thicken it up a bit. And some body wash. Just mix it all up so it can get nice and smooth. Get all the clumps out because we don't want gritty, powdery slime. Mix, mix, mix. Now, for this particular slime, I'm going to be activating it with some liquid starch opposed to borax. When it comes to my clear slimes, I like to activate it with liquid starch just because it works better for me. But when it's a white glue, I like to use borax. Maybe I'll try it with borax next time. I just feel more comfortable, doing it with liquid starch and just keep activating it to get the correct consistency or the consistency that you want. Alrighty, so here's our finished product. It's so nice. My God. It's so nice and amazing. It's so thick and clicky and I love this slime so much. Highly recommend trying this, especially if you just ran out of white glue. You don't have to use the exact same recipe. That's just a common recipe that I like to use, and it works really well. So thank you so much for sticking around the entire video. Comment a spoon emoji in the comments if you stayed and made it this far. And please give me some video suggestions. I'm kind of running out. And check out my slime account on Instagram if you didn't confirm it at Slime Boutique. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you later.
You know I love it when the music's loud, but come on, strip that down for me, baby. Now there's a lot of